How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to Broken Yokes and Tire Smoke. I got rid of the Marquis. I wanted to shred a lot of tires with it, but I decided, post it for sale, see what happens. We got something great. This thing is a tire roaster, so stay tuned to see that. It's another first for me and the channel. She's a Jeep. Not just any Jeep. She's a Comanche. Yeah, she's pretty nice. It's also not platable, but that's beside the fact. Give me a minute and we'll take a proper tour with some light. Look at that, it wasn't even a minute. But powered by the good old 4-liter. It's got new plugs and wires and all that. Hasn't had an oil change in forever. Don't know if you can read that, but it's got a good battery. That blew my mind. But yeah, she's pretty nice. Overall, pretty good shape. It's got a crinkle and a wrinkle. And just a sprinkle of rust. We'll get to the inside in a second here. Even come with another tire, which is weird for me. Got a really good tailgate. And tail lights are good. Just a little bit of rust there. But hurting a bit here. I kind of don't know what hit her there, but I know it's been beat on kind of hard, but it runs pretty good. Idle's high. It's got a vacuum leak somewhere, and like every 4-liter I've seen, it's leaking oil out of most stuff. I'm pretty sure Harley made this motor. Not sure. But like I said, so we can get to the inside. Oh yeah. Sliding rear window for grabbing beer. I mean, pop. But crank windows, because they don't fail that much. Get in here. Best part. She's a Mexican transmission, Manuel. But cranks for a little bit, but runs smooth. Get this light hung up here. Just stay with me, I'm getting it. I think it runs pretty dang good. Got most of the horsepower. Doesn't even smoke. So, I call this thing a winner. But, wait till the daylight for better filming. We'll go do a little bit of test driving with her. See if we can seal some cracks in the rubber on these tires and burn a little carbon off the valves. But, yeah, we'll wait for daylight for that. Gotta get some quality filming for you. But also thinking maybe we'll put this thing on there and turbo it. And then I'll just go thrash on it. We'll check back in with some light. Alright, well, we got the turbo whistle installed on this thing, so let's take it for a spin down the road. get in, sit down, shut up, and hold on. Gotta let that turbo spool. Oh! Power for the back roads. The thing really does add power if you ask me. Worth every dollar if you ask me. Give you guys a good walk around now that I hosed it off. Old carrot sprayer there. Well, thanks guys for watching. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Should have a couple more videos coming up. Like this thing, I had it run, but then motor had some issues, so motor's out of it. I don't know if it's sold or if I'm gonna fix it. So time will tell, but I'll put a video up of that soon. Also got another couple videos coming of another Chevy 4x4. I don't know if you guys are sick of them yet, but they seem to be around here lots, so there's a few of them coming up yet. But anywho, that's it for now. I'll see you guys next time.